Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So it is decision time. XRP could be in orange wave 2 in the late stages now. We're going to take a look at that closely. It is also possible that yellow wave 3 is unfolding. And there's one key level that, if broken, will tell us which one it is. So let's talk about that in this video. The overall picture hasn't changed at all. So I haven't really prepared here any long-term outlook or something or daily chart. We only want to take a look at the smaller time frame because this is now where, where the decision will be made. The price could use here the support zone that we have on the chart, micro support, as a jump-off point to rally higher in a third wave. If you are interested in the long-term outlook, check out our MCO Global channel. I uploaded today, a video about XRP, really the long-term view. We take a look at the larger cycle targets, not only for this cycle, but also for the next bear market, and also what could be coming afterwards. So that might interest you. If you watch this video, you're likely interested in XRP. So let's take a look here at the microstructures. The idea is that the price could be indeed in this wave 2 pullback. Yeah. Quick reminder, current thesis, and that's the overall assumption, is that a larger degree wave 4 bottomed here when the price kind of crashed on the 3rd of February. Since then, we saw a rally and a correction. So it is possible in the orange scenario that the price indeed formed a low here in wave 2, and that we're now moving up in wave 3 to new all-time highs. And it would be an ABC structure because we're dealing with a so-called diagonal pattern. I don't want to go too much into detail, but it would be an A wave up, a B wave down, and then a C wave is likely unfolding right now, but only in the orange scenario. I mean, this is not a crystal ball. It's not a prophecy. It is really just to understand what is likely happening, what are the roadmaps and the risk management levels. Because in the orange scenario, we should now soon see the start of a third wave, the internal third wave. And that might take us to round about $3.40, the previous swing high. Now, it is, however, important in this scenario to understand when does this assumption break. It will be invalidated with a break below the red line at $2.47, and it will become less likely with a break below the support zone here at $2.52. So this is the idea that we could be in orange wave 2, which is an ABC structure. So far, it is a 3-wave move down. That works out quite well, entirely possible. I have to say, though, that the move to the upside looks a little bit like a 3-wave move. That keeps the door open to the yellow scenario, or for the yellow scenario. In the yellow scenario, it's also a so-called 1-2 setup we're looking at, but the wave 2 is deeper. The wave 2 did not finish early in February, as in the orange scenario. It's still unfolding, and we've only just started the decline in wave C of 2. Okay, so the only difference is that wave 2 is still unfolding, but then it can find support in the lower area around 222, 210, or $1.95. It would be important to see a break below below $2.52 to confirm further the yellow scenario, and yellow wave 3 should take us into the blue zone, specifically sort of the area around $2.26 and $2.31. So pay attention to this orange micro support zone, and any break above the last high at $2.72 could indicate that the third wave up has started. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.